I'm officially quitting Pinterest. I always used to go on Pinterest to find images for inspiration when I'm working on a brand project or a logo design, but I've recently found this better app called Cosmos. Now, this video is not sponsored, but I love finding tools that have great design, that have great, layouts and systems and automation, and just make things so much more easier when I'm bookmarking or finding images. Now, it is currently in beta, but I do have 3 official invites that I will give to 3 designers. 3 designers that leave the most thoughtful comment below. I will send you a link. Just make sure you put your email in the comments and I can send you a link. So Cosmos is in between My Mind, Tumblr, and Pinterest. It's basically a combination of all 3. You can see here I'm on my homepage. Now, it has 2 filters. It's got featured and then it's got following. So if I click on featured, these are all the featured design, and I just love the quality. I love the layout. It's very spacious, very clean, very minimal. Got a lot of cool designs, animations. Now I can click on following and it's going to show me everyone that I follow. So for example, I follow this guy called JS. He posts UI and you can see all these groupings. They're called clusters. For example, if I click on his brand cluster, it's going to show me all this. And you can see I can click follow. It's going to follow this cluster. And you can see all these great images, really loving it. And I can also search in the search bar. So maybe I want to search logo design. Let's see what pops up. Cool, we've got some screenshots of some logos, which is really cool. Love that. I can type maybe 3D monochrome. And you get some nice, cool designs. Really love it. Look, even this background's really cool. Now, if you find something you like, when you click on an image, or they call images elements, you can go on the bottom and click similar elements. Now, if I click that, it's going to show me every image that is similar to that. Now, this is a powerful feature because I can upload an image, and then if I'm looking for something, maybe I found an image online and I want to search, I can do that. So here's a quick way. I can click on the back to top bottom button on the back, which is cool. I can see this image who it's connected to. So if I click on the right, I can follow other people that are following this element. Now I'm going to press escape. It's going to take me back. Now I'm going to go to the top right and click create, and I'm going to create a cluster. You can also click on the circle on the top right and I'll go to my preview, and you can see I've already got 4 clusters I've built. So I've got 3D, I've got typography, identity design, and AI art. So if I click on 3D, you can see I've got a few objects here. I can press back. I can go to AI art, which I just uploaded, and here's some of my AI art that I've done before. And the cool thing is I can always press plus and you can add a URL, you can upload images just like similar to Pinterest and other apps. So it's really easy. Now I can click plus and add a new cluster and I can name it whatever I want. Logo design, press enter. And so now I've got a new cluster, which is really cool. I can click maybe find elements and then I can type futuristic logo. And then now I can basically click something I like and click plus, but what I want to do is I want to select the little drop down and select logo design like that. And you can see it's connected. And then now it's going to add it to that. And I'm just going to go ahead and add some more here. And now you can see it saves that connection there. I'm going to click plus. Got the Nike logo there. Beautiful. Now I can go to the top and click on my library. The top left, you got the menu there. Now you can see I can just view all elements. So you can see elements. It's going to show everything basically I have right now. I can filter by show all, not connected on the right side. But I can click on my clusters now. You can press tab, which is amazing. And I can go to logo design and see the logos I literally just added just before. So you can see they're all here. Really cool. Now, once again, I can click on this and I want to find similar elements. You can just scroll down. You don't even have to click. I just scroll and now it just automatically starts showing me elements that are very similar to that logo. So it just saves me time having to click and thing around and try and find different images and go into different categories and all that stuff. Now, what if I want to save some elements or images from other sites? For example, let's go to Dribbble. Make sure you download the Chrome extension. So it does have a free Chrome extension. You can see it on my right. I can see what's connected right now. And I can select which cluster I want. But let's say I go to Dribbble. I'm going to click on branding. That looks pretty cool. I'm going to click on this. Now, if I like this, it's a video or whatever, I can press right click. And then all I got to do is go down to save to Cosmos. Now, if I click that, you can see it's going to open up this, and I'm going to go put it in, maybe I'll put it in UI if I don't have a UI one. So I can just create a new cluster and call it UI UX, and I'm gonna click create. You can also make it private if I want, but that's a premium feature just to keep in mind. And it's gonna show me that element right here. Boom, awesome. So now if I go back to my library, I can see that element right here. Find something I like, right click, save to Cosmos, and then just click on the one you want. This one's gonna go to identity design, easy. Super easy, you can even use it on Google Images, basically any website, and you can even copy URLs as well. So for example, for shopping, so if I click a URL from Amazon, you can see there's field notes here. If I go back, it should add that link. Cool, so you can see now it's saved. If I click on this, it saved my Amazon field notes book, which is cool, and I can left click and it'll take me to that. So it works great for links. And what you can actually do is I can click on the little details here and I can click my tags and I can add tags and say field notes. Now one last thing you can do is you can actually create text notes as well. So I can maybe shopping list, whatever. I can click add note. Maybe I want to make shopping list, add note, and I'm going to have that note right in my library. Beautiful. So that's basically how you use Cosmos. It's super cool and hope you try it out. It's actually a lot of fun. Leave a comment below. I've only got 3 invites, so that's all I've got. But if you try it out, I don't know when they're launching, but it's in beta right now. If you do want to see some more design content, you can click this video here and you can watch me design my website in 30 minutes. Cheers.